My mother watched the fireworks from her hospital bed, and after it was all over, she held me for the first time on the 5th. Deep in Iowa country, in a heavenly hideaway, on the shores of Lake Rathbun, my folks brought me home. On the 5th of July, on the 5th, a teacher and a mechanic brought me into this world, and they've loved me with all their hearts since the day I opened my eyes. So I do well to tell myself to slow down, tell my folks I love them with all of my heart, 'cause someday the Lord is gonna call them home, and someday they'll be gone. So slow down and tell your folks you love them all of your heart, 'cause someday the Lord is gonna call them home, and someday they'll be gone, 'cause we all live just one life, and mine began late that night. On the 5th of July.